Right then, part 9 is here. I've been away for 2 days, so I've not been riding it. But it started alright, and then it was spluttering a bit, and I was like, what the hell's wrong with this? And I thought, oh my god, no. And then I realised the choke was on. So that was an easy fix. So yeah, just see if it goes. I have just started it this morning. It is warm-ish. Not been anywhere. Yeah. So yeah, really looking forward to getting around these country lanes around here, and have a nice ride today. So yeah, we'll get it all on film. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tripod with me and just get a bit of footage going through some nice areas, some lovely country roads, about 3 or 4 miles up the road somewhere, and I'll get some real good footage. So yeah, if you want to watch me riding this, keep on watching. Right then, I'm pretty much ready for off-skis. Hey, I'm going to ride around the road first, come back, get my camera. Disappointingly, I've just noticed a bit of an oil leak. Look at that. And it's this here. Stupid, must have left it. That is undone. Look at that. Really thought I'd tighten them up. I really don't want to be losing that. So I think I'm going to have to go home and get a spanner. Oh, no. Better to be safe than sorry though. Back to the garage. 17 milli. Let's get it tightened up. I actually got 44 miles an hour out of it then. Look at that, see that? Don't want to be losing that. I have got a spare one though. Let's check the other one. Let's go and tighten that one a bit more. Check the oil. I doubt I have lost any oil. Very, very much doubt it. Got my helmet on. Plenty of oil. Right, let's go again. Get the camera on facing forwards this time. Right then, ready for off-ski. Straight to the country lanes. No, that's first, isn't it? That's first. Right then, I'm ready. Here we go. In first. Look over my shoulder. Right, just pulled over here and yeah, I'm just going to head over to Arley, do a bit of filming there. Fucking car's ruined it. Yeah, it's definitely got a bit of adjustment. The lever is catching on the stand, side stand. I'm not sure if they came with the side stand. That's the more C90 part of the footrest. Right then, I've just arrived at Arley. This is Arley's private road here, and it's absolutely lovely. You can see all the horses over there. Plenty of greenery. Yeah, it's very, very, very nice. Yeah, it's definitely one of my favourite little spots here. Absolutely lovely part of the world. I didn't even find it till only about 5 years ago or something. I didn't know it was a through road, and then one day there was like, oh yeah, you can use it, they won't mind. I was like, oh right, brilliant. It's just when these cars come it gets annoying. Ah! Leave me alone. Who says no one that should ever say small bikes aren't fun? Let's do that. Well, that's it. I'm going to call it a day, I think. Just come to this lovely part of the world here, Great Budworth. Beautiful big church here. Absolutely lovely. And there's a lovely pub here called the George and Dragon, but it seems to be shut, which is odd for a Friday. I was hoping to have a pint, but yeah, probably not a bad idea. Oh no, they might be open. They are opening the door. There's the bike. So that's it now. Part 9, part 10 will be coming, and that will be the traction engines and limb transport show and the Honda C70, of course. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. That's the main thing. Good night. Just got home on it, and yeah, it started rattling its brains out and trying to self-destruct. And I was just like, whoa, what's wrong with this? Thought it was a semi-automatic clutch, but it's not. It's a very simple exhaust problem. Well, I've just undone that one anyway. But behind here, there's 2 size 10s. You can just see them here. But yeah, exhaust off. Very hard to get the camera near them. Exhaust off, and we'll sort that out. Might put Nylox on, but not sure if the exhaust gets a bit hot. Nylox, but we could try them maybe, or a bit of thread lock or something. But yeah, no big deal. Yep, so anyway, I'll say good night again. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's all fixed. That you might have noticed a bit of a rattle when it was ticking over at Arley on the film there. Even when I've watched the film, when I was doing the editing, you could hear it rattling, and I was like, oh my god, what's wrong with this thing? But yeah, it was just them 2 size 10s which were just behind here. One had completely disappeared and one had come loose. They were like a flange bolt with like a sort of ribbed sort of back on them. They're meant to grip. I thought they'd work, but obviously they haven't. But now it's got Nylox on it, and it's also got a spring washer, and I've well tightened them as much as I can. So we had 2 little problems this morning, a little oil leak and then a little exhaust, but it's just nothing, you know. It's just like, oh, so what, you know, just get your spanner out, fix it. You know, to do the exhaust took me about 5 minutes. It's only, it's only 2 bolts, 2 size 10s at the head, and then the one on the spindle for the swinging arm spindle. Just have to undo that. So it's just dead easy, absolutely easy. You can have the exhaust off these in minutes, literally a minute. Easy bloody peasy. So yeah, gonna say good night yet again. Thank you very much for watching.